Rattly old thing, isn't it? Tell you what, the elevator's too sensitive. Same as yours, it needed elevator. Yeah. Gonna need a bit more rudder on it, Laurie. Yeah. And well, it's flying.
It's not biased, you just need more.
I need more, no, mix in when we get into when I land it.
Okay, when you bring it down.
It's flying a bit adverse yawish at the moment. You see how it's sort of dropping a wing like. It rattles a bit, that motor, doesn't it? Wasn't up a free model though, was it? Yeah. Not quite as sprightly as yours, but as they get older, they get heavier, you see, that's the thing. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it needs. See how it's dragging itself around, Kevin? It needs a bit more rudder on it. No, it's not pulling it around the back, particularly in the left-hand turn, you'll notice. It has gone cool, yeah. Yeah. Flies different altogether to yours, Kevin. A lot more sluggish. Probably due to the weight of it. Yeah, it could be the motor. I bet this is the one for re-engineering, actually, to be honest.
Well, 24 quid you can get those.
Yeah, I know.